Hey everybody, it's Kelly and you're watching Ready Set Drone, and I'm here right now to give you what I hope will be the last Ken Heron update I have to give. Not because I don't love Ken, I do, but because I feel that Ken has reached a point now where he's given his own updates and he's doing well enough to even do Ken Heron live, Thursday Night Live, tomorrow night, which is going to be, I believe, January 4th. So a couple of things. Number one, thanks to everyone who has reached out with all the kind words for Ken. I know he has been just loving seeing that. He's been reading it. I talked to him earlier today. It's really lifted his spirits during a time when he was, struggling a little bit with this whole thing. But number two, thank you for the donations. We have raised, I think as of right now, it's almost $8,000. And I had set that GoFundMe up. And I have good news, I was able to transfer it to Ken today, so he has control of the GoFundMe at this point and can collect the money, and believe me, I think it's really gonna help him because of medical expenses, his car, ambulance. I mean, he had to be airlifted. That's not cheap. So all of that said, Ken's got the GoFundMe in his control now. I think that we have a $10,000 goal, and I'm hoping we can still reach that. I'm hoping a lot of people will tune in to Thursday Night Live tomorrow and help us reach that, because I think that would be a great way to crest that that goal of $10,000. And just generally, I'm in awe of how amazing this community has been and how much support has been shown for Ken. It makes me feel good to know that there's people out there that care and that can pull together in a time like this. So thank you to everybody. It's been awesome to be a part of this. I hope you will tune in tomorrow night, which is again Thursday Night Live on January 4th, 2018. Happy New Year. It's time to get started. Ken will be on with Dana and several other guests, I believe. Obviously, Ken's not going to be running the show. He's going to be in his hospital bed on an iPad, but I think he has someone, Greg from Australia, who's going to be running the show for him and kind of helping things run smoothly, hopefully. You never know, it's live TV, right? So again, if you haven't had a chance to say something nice to Ken, please do, either on the GoFundMe page, on his YouTube channel, wherever. Just some words of encouragement I know go a long way. And if you have not had a chance to donate to his GoFundMe page, let's see if we can hit that $10,000 in the next few days so that Ken can start recovering financially as well as physically and emotionally. Hey, it's great talking to you all. Thank you so much. I am back in the mix with putting reviews out. Had a little bit of time off over the holidays, but looking forward to putting out some great drone reviews. Just did one on an electric skateboard that was a ton of fun, etc., etc. Hope you're all doing well. Gonna steal one from Ken's book. Buh and bye.